Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I am going to teach you how to make $1,000 per day on YouTube without filming video. Now this is going to be a fun video to do. It might be a little bit longer than my usuals, but make sure to stay through the whole video. Um, if you end up liking this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for future notifications for future videos. If you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it is the first link in the description below. Make sure to check out the description and take a look at that link. I think you're going to be really interested in what I have to offer. So guys, this is going to be a really fun and quick, easy, I can't repeat enough, easy way to make money online without filming your videos. You don't need to put your face on the video. Don't need a camera, you don't need a microphone, and you don't have to know very much about video editing or making because everything's pretty much done for you. So I think you're really going to enjoy this one. So guys, we are going to start off on a site called clickbank.com. When you go to Clickbank, you're going to want to head over to the marketplace and you're going to, well, at first you're going to want to sign up. When you sign up, it's free too. So I can't stress that enough. It is free to sign up for Clickbank. Clickbank has a bunch of digital products that you are going to be able to become an affiliate to sell. Being an affiliate for Clickbank means you're going to be driving traffic to this site, and you're going to make a commission off every sale that Clickbank makes through your link. So once you get yourself signed up, head over to the marketplace, and once you're there, you are going to want to take a look on the left-hand side in something called the categories. And for today's purposes, I am going to look at health and fitness just because it's easy. Now, just scrolling over here, you are going to take a look at all of these ClickBank products. So they have things like Cinderella Solution. Its average sale is $35.49, and you'll be able to make a commission because of this. So they have the Fat Belly Fix. I think I've used that one for one of my videos before. I'm a huge fan of ClickBank. But for today's purposes, I'm going to use Unlock Your Hip Flexors. So once you've found a product that you want to promote, you think it's going to be a good product, it's going to have a good payout for you, go ahead and just click on it really fast. You can take a quick look at it and see exactly what it is, what it's going to have to offer, what they're going to see once they click through your link. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I really like the layout. I think it's perfect. It's really educational. They have great backgrounds, great pictures, and it offers some value to the people who are clicking through. If you can add value to the things that you're selling and teach somebody or give them something for free, they're going to be more apt to buy into what else you have to offer through your link. So this is the product that I'm going to choose to promote. So once you found that, you're going to want to go back over um, and you can hit something called promote. So once you hit promote, you are going to get a hop links. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this hop links because you're going to need it later on. So just keep an eye, get an idea what it is because we're going to come back to the hop links in just a moment. You're going to hit this right here. So don't copy it just yet. I just wanted to show you exactly how to get your affiliate link. So once you know what you're going to use, you're going to need to create a video of some sort. And like I said before, you're not going to be recording a video. You're not going to need to show your face. You're going to go over to a site called Lumen 5. So get yourself signed up to Lumen 5. I'm already logged in. I know that I'm using something along the lines of hip flexors and stretching. So in order to create my video, I'm going to look for some sort of article or blog post about hip flexors. I'm going to do hip flexors stretch and see what comes up for me. So you're just going to scroll through Google. You're going to find an article or a blog that you think adds a little bit of value and can teach people something. You're going to want to pick one of the first ones because they're going to rank higher in Google. And if they're ranking higher in Google, then they're using the right keywords already. So I just grabbed the first one. It says 12 hip stretches your body really needs. So what I'm going to do is I am going to copy this up here. Bear with me, guys. And I'm going to go back to my Lumen 5, which I've already signed up for my free account. And I'm going to hit create video. Now, in order to create this video, you're going to use the first one here, would start with a link. So I'm going to paste that big link that I had copied from my blog or the article, and I'm going to hit go. Now what this is going to do is it's going to ask me what kind of video format I want. I don't want Instagram, I don't want Twitter, because we're going to be uploading through YouTube. So if you don't have a YouTube account already, go ahead, make yourself a Google account, and then go to YouTube and get yourself signed in. Boom, you already have your YouTube channel set up. So once you have that, you're going to hit the YouTube and they are going to ask you to do a theme. Now you're going to pick a theme that, you know, is most aesthetically pleasing to the type of content that you're trying to get out there. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. And Lumen 5's making my video for me. It's as easy as that. I told you you wouldn't need to know how to. You know, you don't have to be a professional video editor. You don't have to record your face. You don't have to shoot a video. You don't need a photographer. This site is awesome because it does it for you. So what I did is I copied all of the text in the link that I had added to it, and it made a slideshow video for me. So it takes all the guesswork out of it. As you can see, they've added pictures already, and they have the text right in there. So once you get this far, you're going to go and you can edit what it says and have it make a little bit more sense. You can say things like step 1, step 2, whatever it is that's going to make more sense in the slideshow that you're going to be uploading. Constricting the muscles is the right way, is this way to make them super tight. You can change it to contracting muscles. In this way, I can make them really tight. Just change it up a little bit so that it's not a complete copy and paste from the article that you were using. Not only can you change what the text is going to say with this site, you can also change what kind of pictures they're using. Now, in order to change the pictures, so we're talking about contracting and constricting the muscles, you can take one of these pictures and it's literally a drag and drop. And it's going to change the pictures for you. And they have a bunch of pictures on here that you can use already preloaded. So it makes this really easy. Not only can you change the background of it, you can change the text of it, but you can also add music to it. And they have a bunch of free music on here. So if you want to add some music to your video, you know, you can add like Nile River, relax and laid back. You can also change the style of it. And the one thing that I like about this site, opposed to other sites, is there's no watermarks already put in it. But you can add your own watermark. Now you can also change the format too, whichever way you want to do it. Like I said, we're going to be using YouTube, so that's the landscape that I chose for it, but I guess you can change it into any one. So if you wanted to upload it to other places to drive more traffic to your YouTube channel, that works for you too. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing and redo every single one, but once you get done with your video, you're going to go over and hit publish and you will get your video. You have your video, guys. You're going to go over to YouTube and you're going to search something similar to what you wrote your video about. So hip flexor stretching exercises. I'm just going to grab that one because it's the first one that popped up for me. Now you're going to scroll through and you're going to want to pick one of the high ranking videos because you're going to want to model your keyword similar to theirs because they're getting a lot of traffic to them. So I'm going to pick 3 hip flexor stretches to release tight hips, because our video is 12 best hip flexors. So if this was my video, I would use this, but I would just reword it more than a block to 12 best hip flexor stretches to release tight hips. It's also got a lot of traffic. So what you're going to do once you have uploaded it, you've made your title, your keyword, you're going to want to model your description similar to this one, because obviously what they're using is working. But instead of just having, many people experience tightness, you're going to want to reword it a little bit. And the first thing that you are going to want in your description is your hop link from your Clickbank product. If you forgot where that was, you're going to hit promote again. You're going to generate a hop link, and then you're going to be able to copy it just like that. It's copied. You have it. It's yours. No one else can use it. So that way, when people click through, when you say at the end of your video on the last slide, you say, take a look at the first link in my description for blah, 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 they're going to click on it and hopefully buy your product so that you can get a commission. Now, guys, I know that when I first started this video, I said how to make $1,000 per day on YouTube without filming a video. I get that I said that, and you're probably asking, how am I going to make $1,000 with a $63 commission off a product? Now, you're going to want to monetize your channel, which means you're going to be making money off AdSense. Now, in order to monetize, I believe you need to have 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours, which isn't too crazy. It's definitely doable if you're posting content as often as possible, at least 3 times a week. So not only are you going to be making money through your affiliate link, but you're going to be getting paid to put ads in all of your videos. I highly suggest that you make your videos 10 minutes or longer so you can add more than one ad into your video. So this is how you do it, guys. It is really quick. It's easy. Your last step, once you have uploaded your video, you've done your description, you've reworded it, and you've also included your link as the first part of your description, you are going to want to copy their tags. And it's really easy to do that too, guys. It's one button, and you literally can copy all of the tags that they are using. It's really easy, guys. I hope you really enjoyed my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications for my future videos. If you're interested in knowing what my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in my description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it was a long one. We'll see you soon.